Is Snowflake an ETL tool? As Snowflake support both the transformations during ETL or after load ETL. Snowflake integrated with a variant of data integration solutions including Informatica, Tableau, Metalon and others. And Talend. Yeah. With Snowflake simple ETL and ETL options, data engineering can spend more time focusing on the essential data structuring, data strategy, and pipeline improvement initiatively. Using Snowflake's cloud platform as your data lake and data warehouse, extract, convert, and load many and may be effectively avoided as pre-transport transformation and pre-schema as needed in this in this Snowflake we are using.